Hi guys, welcome back to yet another makeup tutorial, and today we are going to do eyeshadow tutorial, and to be specific, bridal eyeshadow. My name is Joy Ngari, the lead makeup artist and trainer at Makeup by Dennis, and today we are going to do it differently as one of our students is taking a class, a bridal makeup class. So we are going to learn together as she learns, and welcome. Please feel free to learn with us. Here's our student Nyambu. We are going to learn with her. Already we have done her face off camera, and we also did her eyebrows off camera. Now today we are only going to do eyeshadow, and the first step is her lids already prepped. She's going to be looking at the process as we go on. So the first step, we're going to place the brown on the lowest part of her lid, the outermost part of the eye. And I'm just gonna dab, concentrate most of the products hapo chini. And as I approach pande ya juu, I am just dabbing lightly so that I don't have too much pigmentation towards the brows. There are so many ways of doing bridal eyeshadow, and today we are gonna focus on the eyeshadow look that we call 1, 2, 3. So this is the first color that we have that we're going to use. We are gonna do this step by step, and Nyambu is gonna do the other eye and have the first color on the eyes. She'll have to pay attention to all the sides where the eyeshadow is. So meaning everywhere the eyeshadow is, it is smooth. We don't have any harsh lines. We are going on to color number 2, and color number 2 is gonna come just above the crease. So, and the color that goes above the crease has to be very neutral colors. It's not darker than color number 1, and it's not going to be brighter than color number 3 that we're going to put it as the last color. So color number 2, I am going to start from where color number 1 ilishia, just to blend it, and then take it all over the crease very lightly. It has to be very soft, and towards the brow I'll do circular motions just to make this color blend with the nose contour that we had done earlier, and also make the lid look natural. Next step is she's softening color number 1 and then taking the color number 2 all through the crease. Now she has to do it very gently and to make sure that it does not have a lot of pigmentation, so that the lids can still remain, or rather feel, natural. And on to color number 3, it has to be a brighter color. In this case we're using a shimmer, and this color has to be brighter than all the other colors that we did. Color number 1, color number 2, and now on to color number 3. So color number 3, I am gonna start by placing it on the lowest part of the lids, because that's where I want most concentration, and then I am gonna dab as I go towards color number 2. It's good to be light-handed in this process. So you just dab, and make sure where color number 1 and color number 3 are meeting this particular point, they have blended so well. And color number 1 and color number 2, color number 3 and color number 2, wherever they've met, they need to blend seamlessly. You can use the help of another brush to help you blend where color number 3 and color number 2 are meeting. Keep going in with color number 3 until you get enough pigmentation that you'd like to have to be on the eyes, and then you blend everything so that everything can look seamless. We don't need to see where one color ends and where the other color begins, so everything is supposed to blend seamlessly. At this point we are almost done, but we are not done. So it's now making everything pop. We're just gonna add a little black just to smoke out the end of the eyes, concentrating the dark on the lowest part of the eyelid, and then as I approach the brows, I lighten the strokes completely. Preferably I can take a different brush and use it to help me soften the black. Remember, the black is not supposed to be too dark. It just has to be a little bit smoky. Make sure all that is blended so well. Then Nyambu is gonna do the other side of the eyes. The idea is to have the black extended just a little bit on the lower side, and on the upper side it's away from the front part of the eyes. Now I wanted her to do the same thing on this other side, but just adding a little darkness towards the front part of the eyes so that we can have that lifted effect on the eyes. Next step is we are gonna brighten the front part of the eye, the innermost corner of the eyes, with a brighter shimmer. So I'm just gonna dab that in and make sure that the colors are blending into each other seamlessly. I'm using a dabbing motion for that seamless finish. I'm gonna use the help of a different brush to blend where these colors are meeting, because we don't want any harshness in the lids, on the eyelids. You keep blending until until the colors are looking seamless and you have enough pigmentation. She's now doing her side of the eye, and at this point we are almost done. We just have one more step to finish. We just have one more step remaining, and then we do eyeliner and lashes, and that's gonna be it. And now on to the last step. We're just gonna add a little glitter on the brightest part. Just dabbing, and leaving that there. And that's it. This is the final look, and this is a perfect bridal look that will look very good on any bride and also a bridesmaids.